If you want to insert a SIM card into Motorola Edge 70, we need to take a look at the bottom side of the phone, where we can find the SIM tray over here in this place. We also have this little hole, and we need to use the SIM eject tool so that we can put it into this SIM tray hole. There we go. And then once it is in, we need to use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray be pushed out. Once it pops out slightly, we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And over here we have our SIM card slot. We have only one, at least in this case. So we can put it into the phone. We can put our SIM card into the phone just like that. Make sure that it is fully in and it doesn't stick out. And we can just slide it in back into the phone. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.